Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel PSC Confidence Booster. Today we see 15 multiple choice questions related to AC three-phase motor. All questions are collected from previous year's question papers. So friends, don't skip till the end. Then let me start. Question number 1. Which of the motor has more starting current? Answer is option A, squirrel cage induction motor. Question number 2. The squirrel cage rotor slots are generally. Answer is option A, open slots. Question number 3. If the slip of the rotor is doubled, the value of rotor reactance per phase will. Answer is option B, be doubled. Question number 4. In an induction motor, what is the ratio of rotor copper loss and rotor input? Answer is option D, slip S. Question number 5. The shaft of an induction motor is made of. Answer is option C, carbon steel. Question number 6. The difference between synchronous speed and actual speed an induction motor is known as. Answer is option C, slip. Question number 7. An induction motor is so called because its operation depends upon. Answer is option B, mutual induction. Question number 8. In a three-phase induction motor, the rotor speed is dash the synchronous speed. Answer is option B, smaller than. Question number 9. When the rotor is standstill, the rotor frequency in a slip ring induction motor is. Answer is option C, equal to stator frequency. Question number 10. Induction motor provided with open slots generally have. Answer is option B, more breakdown torque. Question number 11. What is the starting torque of a squirrel cage induction motor? Answer is option D, slightly more than full load torque. Question number 12. Imbalance in shaft of the induction motor occurs due to. Answer is option B, air gap is not uniform. Question number 13. Short circuit test on an induction motor cannot be used to determine. Answer is option A, windage losses. Question number 14. In a squirrel cage induction motor, the number of rotor bar is generally dash. Answer is option C, prime number. Question number 15. The induction motor has lagging power factor during. Answer is option C, both starting and operation.